What's up? What's up, KJ family?
Wagwan people, everything govern.
I hope you guys are having a wonderful night tonight.
How do you shoulder them?
Them feel jiggy, you know? Them a do, what do you used to call this again? Alum shake, is that name?
Yeah.
So yes, I do alum shake. I feel alum shaky. So yes, guys, I know you haven't seen us in a while. Maybe I wonder what we'll do, but alright, we're okay. We're okay.
We're there, you know?
Yes. We might not post, but just want to know, there's a shot in that little quick video here for make you know, so we not forget to know. Things are just so hectic because we're in the process of looking somewhere for rent, we're in the process of moving, and we're in the process of looking at vehicle, we're in the process of do so much stuff.
Yeah,
right?
no, so we're trying to line up back some things.
Kind of not have the time for vlog. We're out in the morning, we come back in the night, and by the time we come back, it's just so hectic. And we're up on the road that we can't really, or where we are, we can't really have the phone out. You understand? So that's one of the reasons them are. That's the main reason why we are not posting anything. So we don't want to be like say we forget because we can't forget our family. We forget our family them.
No.
So you look at me so weird. So yes, as we say, in the process I try get somewhere for rent. So you know the whole heap of packing up, the whole heap of things will come with moving.
Yeah, the whole heap of ups and downs and trials and tribulation, but you don't know.
Yes.
We are going to fight through, you see?
Yep.
So as Kian say, we don't forget to know people.
Yeah,
and we are working on the next channel too.
Yes,
yeah,
a little reaction channel, something little entertaining.
Yeah, that's different side of we, you know.
And laugh and
yeah, see me?
yeah, so they can go back to that channel.
That channel let maybe I'll be a bit more for the big people them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We are gonna react to
all different type of
persons
contents and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Some vlogs, reactions, so funny videos, pranks and stuff like that. So them type of thing then we are gonna react to. And when this one here react, you can control him mouth. So that's why we say it is more for the the bigger audience.
It's about more difficult for me filter when I say on that channel, like some things I thought I might have to blurt out two words without meaning, you know what I mean? So you don't know people, we have a whole heap of things planned for this channel we now watch now, we have a lot planned for this.
The KJ Vlogs and Adventures channel.
We are trying to build that too. We are trying to build up that as well. We are telling about new channel.
Oh, we are telling the name. It name
K&J Reacts.
Reacts, yes.
Yeah. So, you know, from when you hear Reacts, you know, say a peer reaction thing are going over there.
So guys, if you don't have any videos that you think we want to watch and react, the place hot. Oh my gosh. If you don't have any video we want to watch and react to, you can leave a comment down below in the comment section, or you can contact with our Instagram or our Facebook or Instagram at K_J_vlogs.
Right.
So you can contact with our Instagram and
send
with the video them
down in the description
below. And then you can send with the video them when you want to watch and react to.
Right.
And we will do so.
Or the link to them.
Yes, and we will do so. So guys, yeah, we're not keeping along. We just want to go on a little quick update that is not forget, you know.
Yeah.
And as we did tell you before, so we attend to a turbo. So certain things that we want to do and certain places where we wanted to go. Yeah. They kind of pause for a while. I know.
You can't walk. I mean, I take no bus. You understand? No, we can't but I'm not further right now. Unless I me plan first say we not drive, we'll take nuts first.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
if you just get the experience on it.
Yes.
But can't bother with that. So only thing in our pipeline, people.
Yeah, man.
Get a
so
new vehicle.
We're getting a new vehicle, so you don't know say freedom, we can move up and down again as we did plan for do originally when we had made this channel. That was the original plan.
Right.
Hence the name Vlogs and Adventures. But when you don't know, and so all the while when you plan on something and really so it go, you kind of have to take a back seat for a while and then work towards it. So that's what we are doing right now. So guys, anytime we're back up again, we still are going to try shooting 1 and 2 vlogs, but the adventure thing I got to just hold on for a little while until we settle down.
Yeah.
So as soon as we settle in and everything starts out and thing, we will be doing our adventures and make gonna see Mr. Chef. Chef up some food and stuff. Yes, man.
The kitchen and do other things.
I'm the chef anyhow. Him always cook some stuff. Me I tell you, man, them amazing.
Yeah,
so I want to get to see them stuff there too.
We remember we don't forget about
the IVF thing.
journey.
Yes.
Do that
definitely
too.
next
so
month.
That's
we tell you now. So we did set the date and thing already, but we did through all of this. We did push it back a bit until in February. So we just try to get everything started out by the end of this month to next month, so we can settle in and just start link back with the family and try and make the channel grow. But guys, don't forget to like up the video them. If you don't like the content them, if you watch them and don't like them, just click the like button.
Yeah, and we're on the road to 500 still, you know.
Yes.
So you know what I say, with the 300 and mash.
350.
Yeah, after
355. So
after a few months, you know what I mean. So we're on the journey slowly but surely. Me always say, slow growth better than no growth.
That's all, yes.
And
guys, we have to thank you guys.
Yeah, definitely.
We have to thank you guys so much for helping us to be or to reach this far. Because whenever for owner, there, so.
That is it.
So guys, you have remember if you like up the video them, because so we know say uno appreciate or like the content them, so now like them
and share
comment
them
underneath it.
Share them
to your
people,
friends.
please.
Yeah, man.
Share them all
Share
about.
them to everybody where you know. Say no book
WhatsApp,
share.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter,
everything.
anything where you depend on, share the content.
Share them.
We appreciate it. Like the video then it's free. One to pam.
Yeah, one like.
If you press 2 times, it's going to unlike. So
yeah.
1. You dig?
So if you want to click it multiple times, just do it 3. 3 is okay.
3.
Yeah.
Like, unlike.
Like, yeah. So guys, remember, as we said a while ago, for like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and share up the video them guys. And just know say K&J Vlogs and Adventures, they here for the content. Them go come. One time we not get content. When we're ready, man, not get content. Every minute in our season, just swear pop up.
Yeah, man, definitely. When we settle down, man, I know thing already say them things are hectic. You see me? People will move. No, say it's not easy. So we just have to just do what we can do, little for the meantime. But when time we have flood on the news feed,
yes,
hey, we're not tired of it.
Let's see. Oh God, them again.
We're tired to see your face like Bob. I tell you. Yeah.
The bad. So anyway, guys.
What?
I don't want to be here this morning.
This channel start.
The bad.
Man said, ma'am. Easy with the badode.
Easy with the badode. Yes, guys. On this channel, we easy with the badode. But on the next channel, badode will be cussing. Because this is what I don't know for filter mode.
Lie, she tell me no cuss the badode for the channel of people. Tell her no.
No, you filter mode on this.
Then you just know for filter mode.
Oh, so me talk foolishness.
Yes, talking foolishness as usual.
So yes, guys, thank you for being here with us this far. We really appreciate you guys. And remember, share the video. Like the video, comment, subscribe, just do the right thing. Alright guys, so as I say, I'm not telling my place act like I sit down on fireside.
Yeah, look like breeze.
So guys, as we always say,
stay safe.